Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are all very well. So the topic of our video today is how to share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp. It means how we can share the link of our Google Drive video or photos, whatever we want, on WhatsApp. So let's quickly start the video. First you need to open our Google Drive app. Alright, after opening, here as you prefer, in photos and videos, here is one of my photos. I have selected it. Okay, after selecting, look above, you will see an option with 3 dots. Okay, you need to click on this. Okay, after clicking, see the third option is copy link. You will get this option and you need to click on it. Okay, here I clicked on copy link. So see, our link is copied. So I can send this link anywhere now. WhatsApp, as you wish. On which social media you want to share this, I will share it on WhatsApp and show you. Open WhatsApp. Look, I am sending this to myself. Look, I've sent the link here. So if you liked our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Alright, bye for now. See you in the next video.